ndogo. Millicent Adhiambo, Ramogi TV.
Jachiw wach leo kar jot maduong' ma jatend piny Hussein Mohamed olando jatend piny William Ruto dhi timo limbe mar ndalo 5 e gwenge mag Masawa e yawo chenro mag dongruok. Jatend piny biro yuoro alam mar dine mopogore opogore kar jot matin ma jatend piny Masagana chieng' Jumapil motelo ne romo kod jotelo mawuok e gwengego chieng' wuok tich juma manyien. Ruto dhi yawo chenro mag pi kaachiel gi kongo piny e counties mag Kirinyaga kod Nyeri.
During his tour, President Ruto will launch various projects aimed at improving the quality of the lives of the people in line with the government's bottom-up economic transformation agenda. This agenda will keep on repeating and reiterating, as the President says, prioritizes bringing down the cost of living, eradicating hunger, creating jobs, expanding the tax base, improving our foreign exchange balance and promoting inclusive growth. Through interventions in 5 core sectors of agriculture, MSMEs, development, housing and settlement, universal health coverage, and digital superhighway and creative economy. The development tour begins tomorrow on Saturday, 5th August 2023. The President will kick off the tour in Githurai, Kiambu County, where he'll commission the Githurai Water Supply Project. The project will supply about 35,000 cubic meters of water per day to serve over 500,000 residents of Ruiru, Githurai, Mwihoko, and Kahawa, and to provide water connections to about 8,400 people. Also on Saturday, President Ruto will commission the redevelopment of Githurai Market. Later on Saturday, the head of state will commission the Kagio Water Supply Project in Kagio Town, Kirinyaga County. He will also commission the upgrade of the 42.5 kilometer Marua kwa Wambui Road.